Good news for iPhone users and Apple fans, because Apple and Google are reportedly joining hands to enhance Siri, its long-standing virtual assistant, by utilizing Google's Gemini artificial intelligence platform. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. We all know Siri's fallen behind its rivals like Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, but it might now be improved with this possible collaboration. According to reports, to protect data privacy, Google's developing a unique AI model to run on Apple servers. Previously, Apple always considered on-device processing to keep the data within the company, but now the company is considering outsourcing certain AI functions to third-party providers such as OpenAI's ChatGPT or Google's Gemini. Due to technical difficulties, the enhanced Siri features, which were originally planned for release in iOS 18, were postponed until 2026. This upgraded Siri version will make use of advanced large language models like they're used in ChatGPT or Claude to make the users feel a human-like experience. But don't worry, because users' privacy has been the main focus of Apple's AI development, with a keen interest in on-device processing to reduce data transmission. However, the company is now thinking about contracting out some AI functions to outside models, like the popular AI models we use daily. Apple could provide a better Siri experience through a partnership with Google, possibly competing with Google Assistant. However, some Apple engineers are worried that outsourcing important aspects of Siri's intelligence could be interpreted as a sign that their work isn't valued. That's one way to look at it, but we know that Siri is lacking, and Apple's just trying to fix that. Do you agree with this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.